No.
As long as it's on there. I might cut the cup too short. We won't ride it.
Yeah, that's right. So what, take this off then?
Yeah, take that off. They're right, aren't they? That's alright, isn't it?
Well,
It's not going up any further.
just bounce them back off that side.
Done. That's good.
Just
Shit.
go
It's a fucking negative.
underneath.
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like it.
Yeah, no, that goes there like that. I reckon.
Around that. On that.
Yeah. I don't fucking know. Can't remember.
Which side did you get motored, this side?
Yeah. Most of it came out this side. I've got to remember how all these fucking amounts go. I'm going to have to look back over the video.
What's
It's an magic.
it's not going to be easy to get it back in there.
Oh mate, it wasn't easy getting the fucking
Well, mate,
out.
like, I don't know how there's going to be two of us being able to carry it.
Oh, no, you can't really. You've got to...
Do it yourself.
So,
That goes up there, doesn't it?
that's the top now.
So you
The
just-
bolts should be in the block. Oh yeah, there we go.
Well, don't put that on there yet.
Nah, that's that. And then... okay, here's all the motor mount bolts already. So...
You reckon?
Oh,
I'm fucking on.
hey, fucking... It's been a struggle. Wait there, Harley. Oh no, wait there. That's the cross, that's the plate, right?
And that mounts to that plate. Is that right?
No.
Maybe this side.
Oh, yeah. No.
Is it?
No, because there's nothing to mount.
Garby, wouldn't it?
There's nothing to mount to here.
Nah.
No. This,
There it goes to this.
huh? Nah, that's, that only ever had one mount.
Did it?
Yeah, that's it there.
What's that for?
Fuck knows. Hold on. And something goes here, I think.
Oh, foot pedal. Foot pedal.
No, that's not right. Fuck. When we get it in there, we'll find out. But there should be two long
Back
bolts.
there?
Oh,
Yeah, here.
Right? That's it. That's it. That's what it's for.
Well, which way though? That way?
So?
On top?
And two. Ah, yeah. No, there you go. That's right, Josh.
Underneath.
You got it. It's that one. Yeah, we'll work it out. Once we put it on.
You don't want to stick this on the front? No?
No, you can't get it. That's why it's
Roger.
there's bolts, I think, that go through the frame.
Yeah, they're in there already.
Are
Can see
they?
them.
No, there's one, two. Them two.
There's no
One, two.
You I heard ya.
Hello.
How you going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
That can't be right.
Don't talk to your boss like that, Shane. Show a bit of respect for him.
That can't be.
That one, there. That's it.
Oh, they go all the way through.
Yep. And they go all the way through the block.
Yeah, well, and then they bolt through the...
Something like that. We'll get it sitting in there. Yeah? Are you out with your back, Josh?
Pretty shit house.
Hey, so are you got an alright back?
Yeah,
Is it alright?
yeah.
Well, you know, I mean, I can lift it, but you know, I don't want to. Yeah, just see if you can lift it though.
By myself?
No, we'll try and give you a hand, but do you want to get it that way there? We'll get it over here first. We'll put it on that.
I don't know about that.
Oh, you got something to grab on it? You don't want to get dirty, do you?
I don't care.
What you ready? You got something. You tell me when you're ready. I've got an oil filter.
Yeah, you're not right there. No, you're right.
You're up. Jesus.
Gonna snap that.
Right
Right,
there.
put your fingers in there, you know.
Half in, bottom in. Yep. That'll do it. Yeah. Right.
Hold on.
Now, so it's the bottom in, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try. You roll? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, keep coming my way.
Yeah, I don't know. Fucking give us a minute, huh? Hold on. Where's the fucking what?
Did they just split that? Was that welded?
Oh no! You fucking broke your frame. Seriously, where's the crowbar? Fuck, you've got a miss. You got a miss, Josh.
I mean,
Yeah.
It's like blind leading the fucking blind leading the fucking blind down here.
You watch that? Wait, where's that guy? Yeah.
fuck, it's heavy.
Watch your finger, don't jiggle it while we're fucking around. Hold on. You watch your fingers because if it fucking drops.
Can you give me that ear so I can pick this side up so you can push it?
Wait there. You watch your fingers.
I'm watching it.
Tingies. Oh. Cool day.
Yeah, I need to go forward. Like a shitload.
Well, it's got to straighten up as well.
So,
So it's got to come back this way, doesn't it? Yeah. But yeah, you're right. It's got to go forward.
so I'm going to pick this up and move it to you.
Wait. There we go. You see them rotating gears?
Yeah.
That's it.
Now we need to sort of, I think we need to do this one.
Well, babe.
We're sitting on that.
You better get it there by yourself.
I was fucking struggling, don't worry about that.
Did you see his
We're sitting on
video of him
Fucking
lifting
crazy.
it? Yeah.
Hey, did
and
you
I was
get-
like,
Did you rock it back to you, sort of? Because it's on this table.
What do you mean rolling?
Hey, right.
Ah.
Good now.
maybe he's got it.
Now we just need to go back to you, sort of. Too far this way.
You want to come back?
Back to your side.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. It's on the dowels at the back. Wait there. That might be right. Is it, Josh? What's going on?
Yeah, but your bolt hole's on the inside there.
The back's pretty close.
So we're going to do chuck them in. Because it says mount to the front of the frame first.
Yeah. We
Because
can mount it.
see
Put
here.
that mounting.
See this here?
Yeah.
It's not going to be right. It's not sitting in the middle.
No. Put that mount on at the front. Where'd you put it? That's a nut. And this one on a stud. And this one's a bolt.
Which way?
Pat it, babe. Fucking, it's all over the
So
place.
all the way.
No.
You babe now, are you?
I don't know.
Is it recording?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I actually don't know.
Yeah, no it is.
Yeah. It wasn't.
Looks good actually.
Now, my only question is, does that sit underneath or on top?
Bongo's trying not to talk.
Hey?
I'm holding it back a bit.
I just thought of that. What?
Does that sit on top or underneath? I think it's going to go underneath, on top.
No. Yeah. No? Nah, look, see where it's warm?
Alright.
That looks like there's no dust, so I'd say that's it. Goes underneath.
You'll be fucking riding along and you spin
Fucking
out.
motor before that. I'll just say, oh, that's the fucking off lane.
Well, your weld's already come apart, babe.
That's why I like having people help me, because then when something goes wrong, I'm like, fuck,
You
I
can
ain't
all
gonna
have the
do that.
blame.
That one?
Oh, I don't fucking know. No, it should all be on this side. Or
So-
should most of it just be.
Well, that don't look like it. No. That does. Look like it.
I don't know where it all went. I normally put it all back
Yeah.
like legit put everything back
Where it goes?
where
You know-
wherever I pull it out from,
That goes back in. Definitely sounds like you, man.
yeah, it's like all this mess here. This wasn't here.
Yeah, that's there.
Has it got? But it hasn't got a thread in that.
No,
Like, you got to have a nut.
Well, where's the other one I just gave you?
You can give it to me.
Oh my.
You didn't pass it to me.
You know what you like.
Who, me?
Well, the pair of yous are related.
Sadly.
No,
Is it true
it's
that
gotta
you-
be on that table.
Hey Josh, is it true that you really wanted to spend time with him? You missed him,
Yeah.
or was he actually taking the piss
Nah,
and trying to make himself feel better?
Right. So, when was it?
What are you doing? She goes, I said Josh was coming around, must spend time with me. She said bullshit. I said, he does. I said, that's what you fucking said.
It's a little bit cute.
What are you saying? You fucking okay. What are you, Kale?
Funny that I said the same thing to you.
Yeah, you did actually.
Nothing wrong with being gay. Well, they couldn't have went fucking.
Fuck me.
They can't have went anywhere else except for on this table.
What's this do?
That's
I
not
don't
it,
know.
is it?
Shocking.
I'll probably come down and find it fucking straight away.
Oh, come on, mate. Come on.
Like, hey, you've had a bolt like that before. But it
No,
should.
what is it?
What if
This one's just a stainless one.
yeah?
Stainless white.
Where did you get that from?
What the hell? What? Is that it?
Oh,
Yeah, but it's got to have a. Here, is that it?
Fuck knows me. Yeah.
That's it.
Well, I don't know. It fits. I'm not right. Come on. Yeah.
Yep. That. That's it.
Okay, I've got 3 bolts here. 3 there. But they're all different sizes. And different heads.
Just need another nut like
Well,
that.
that's 2. Them 2 are the same. But then
well, you've already got 3 nuts in the shed.
Hey.
3 white nuts.
It's fucking come to life since it's got a camera in its head, hasn't it? Should be a yourself.
Have to start a comedy show or something.
Showing you over own channel fucking just roasted people.
Yeah.
Well, I don't
Roasting
fucking
up
know.
the shack.
That it should just be here.
Roasting a lamb. Oh, is it in there? Oh, I was going to say.
It's actually quite funny.
Roasting a short.
Nah, it's gotta be. Well, it's not gonna matter.
Well, is it them 2?
Have you got a nut for it?
Well, yeah, but like they're 2 different bolts.
Don't worry about it. Chuck them in.
It's like, which one is it? Which 2? They're all different.
I'd go. I reckon that's fucking certainly that one.
Well,
And I reckon there's another one.
yeah, right.
You've got a mess over here, mate.
Whereabouts would you put that one?
I don't know.
Do you reckon you put it
Just
in your pocket?
try it. That'll be alright.
I reckon he'd use it as a butt plug.
Both of
Beauty of
Made you laugh.
Hey, the beauty of it is I can just cut it all out.
What, the butt plug?
Yeah.
Oh,
Fuck, I was always getting on you. Got the
I'm stifling.
yeah, you've got the heat pump going up in there. Alright. You gonna, what are you doing?
Well, we have to move the whole engine forward.
Alright.
So, you know, like I can't really get that in there. We've got probably 20 or 30 mil. 20 mil. I might be able to get that actually. So I can pull it up and do that. I don't know how I'm going to tighten it.
I normally use a spanner.
Bigger?
Yeah, come on.
It's like these nuts not right. It was right, now it's not.
These nuts.
You got?
Yeah, I'm just doing this one.
Your battery's going a little low by the look of it.
Oh, come on.
It's alright, the soaps.
There we go. We're doing it up tight, but not tight enough that we can't fucking do it up. Is that right?
No, we've got to do that other one. Yeah, we've got to, no, because we've got to do the back.
Yeah, we're a bit out,
Now, well, the front and
We're
that
out, eh?
shouldn't have changed.
We're out shitloads.
Do the back now?
Not until we get the back.
We're out shopping here. What? 20 mil.
When are you going to get a Harley drop?
After sitting on those 2 out there, I don't think I will.
Well, they're so.
I did see you sitting on it.
Yeah, it was very awkward.
Did you move the bolts?
Yeah, mate, yeah, I just threw them everywhere.
Where'd you do them?
I put them in here.
Or far.
No, the ones for this.
Yeah, I don't even know what they look like.
Oh,
Babe, is that them there by any chance? Sitting on your desk, your
yeah,
bench?
might be.
Fuck me. You're fucking hopeless.
Oh,
Good chat.
What would you do without me?
Good chat, mate. Thanks for that.
okay. So,
Alright, so how the hell are we going to get that in there?
that.
Oh,
Crowbar.
I'm sure that's what it is, are you? We got this.
Oh, my bed's probably best looking crowbar. And then
You watch that, you pinch your finger and chop it off or something.
off the frame.
A
Yeah,
bit of deja vu
if you
here,
can.
actually. I'm a little bit anxious.
It might hide out the back.
I think we might need to pick this up at the front and then push the back in. Because you know what, we need to go over that way and this here needs to move in that way. Oh.
Is the frame?
Going out the back, or is it?
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. You ain't further.
Oh shit.
It moved it over a lot though.
No?
It did move it a lot.
Yeah, move it heaps. Whoa.
Close.
Yep.
Got him? No, you don't do it.
Oh,
It's close.
Yep, I've got one in.
Pull the motorbike apart and jig it up and put it back together. Fucking good idea.
Yeah, we'll pull it apart, yeah.
I'm not taking it back.
Pull it apart? Seriously?
Yeah, once he's tapped it. we'll get the
Might be,
engine.
might be able to get a fair way around
Why are
it.
you going to put like another motor
Oh, I'm
in it or
not going to be able to get
something?
around them bottom ones.
Nah, because you're going to have to weld it around
Then
there.
put back in when it's painted.
Ooh.
Yeah, well that's right, it's got to come out anyway. Because you've got
So
to
why are you
pull
putting
it out
it back
and
in
paint it.
now then?
You've got to use it so you jig it up.
So you get, yeah.
So you can...
You don't want to weld it.
So did you
Too
make that
close.
arse end or did you already have that here?
No, I had it here, I got it.
So, mate?
Mate.
So where's the
How much
original?
does that set you back, mate?
Oh, it's over there.
It's only 650.
Yeah, 60,
Oh, how much?
65
I
bucks,
don't
is
know,
it?
50 bucks.
So we had an argument last night because I wanted to buy a dining table.
What do you mean dining table? for?
Exactly.
Oh, don't you fucking start.
You got
It was
one, right?
it was brand new, right? This lady had to sell it.
Oh, that old chestnut.
No,
The
it's
lady had to
actually
sell
the
it.
truth.
And
It's
she-
actually the truth.
And Shani had
So it was
to buy
$1,000 and she dropped it down to $250 because it had to be gone. So I said, well, you know,
So did you get
I
it?
want it.
Did you get it?
No, he wouldn't let me.
Oh,
He
but-
caused a massive big argument
you're
about
a
it.
fucking shopping bloke.
So I said to him, I said, so, what's the need for 4 bikes?
Because you can't ride them all at once, Nicholas.
That's exactly what I
You
said.
can ride
If he wanted to get like that about it, I said, well,
Well, fuck you.
I'm
mate.
buying stuff for the house.
Mongo, you can ride a bike, you can't ride a fucking
Dining
table.
He's like, oh, it wouldn't match with in the house anyway.
What did you say, Shane?
Well, it would, because it's got wooden. It's wooden.
It's wooden fashion. So which way around do these fucking go?
I don't know, mate. You're the smart cookie. You took it apart.
Yeah, I know.
Don't tell him that.
I reckon that'd have to go on the outside. So that'd be like that. Up in there. Well, that was coming out, right? Pull that out. Push it up in there.
No, that's got to go in this side. It goes in this side. Oh,
On the other side of those, though.
nah, I think it's this side. What makes you think that?
Because this one's on this side.
Yeah, I know, but this might not be the same. Is there where's that torch? Is there a torch here? Where's the big torch?
I don't fucking know.
Mate,
Shut
what, your
I
Zito
don't
torch?
stay
The
in the
Zito
fucking
one?
garage.
Yeah.
It's in the next to the microwave.
Could you be able to go get that for a second?
Oh, why is it in there? You got no lights in the house, mate. No
Thanks, Sean.
No Sparky.
Should have microwave in your shed.
I know an electrician. Put light in for you, mate. Do you a good price. What's going on here? It's gone flat.
No, it turns off.
Why'd it do that?
Save battery, so I don't go flat.
But I want to keep recording.
Oh.
Or is it still recording when it goes black?
No, it's still recording when it goes black.
If the screen's just black, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come back. So do you want me to pull this side off, cock, or not?
Huh?
Do you want me to pull this side off?
What do you mean pull it off?
Here we go. Can you like get the jack on it and jack it off? Hello,
Yo,
Earth to Nick.
what do you want?
What the fuck you doing?
Okay, that's that. That's got to go that way.
It doesn't.
Huh?
You can see where the nuts have been on them, mate.
Yeah, it's that.
It's not that.
It is, I'm telling you. It's got to be.
not.
Okay, can you please...
Look on the other side, just pull it out and look and see where the nuts have set.
Yeah, you can see it on this side. That's where the washers were. No, I know what you're saying. That's where the forward controls go. They bolt through this. That's why you can see marks on that. That's where it's got to go. Can you push...
But it's on the top one, brother.
Can you push the top one through for me? Right, and screw it, because that's the one with the nut on it. Is it screwing?
Well, I'm spinning it.
Let's screw it.
I haven't got a screwdriver.
You can't spin it, you got to screw it in.
I'm just
Can
slippery.
you show me the camera again? Because you're just getting a fucking shot of my tit.
You did.
Oh, you got that? You got it? Yeah, the cruise tit. Okay. That's why one of them doesn't have a fucking nut on it. What? That's why one of them bolts that you've got here doesn't have a nut.
What?
Okay, so what, have you pushed through the bottom one now?
Well, nah, it won't go, brother.
Why?
Dunno.
Where's that torque to it?
Dunno.
How much have you got sticking out your side?
A lot. Enough for me to do this with.
Right there. Now, push through. Yeah.
Now, can you spin it? Because I got a nut on this side.
You got a nut. What are you fucking talking about? You're the fucking nut. Alright.
So you got the nut there, or?
Yep. I got it.
Alright, I'm spinning.
This is it.
I'm spinning.
I just picked. Nah, go back to you. I don't know, I've got to pop it in. Yep, go. Yeah, don't fucking jam it through, son. Just fucking.
Is that going?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yep.
Are you gonna hold on to it, or?
Yeah, I'm holding it with my fucking finger.
Bloody go.
Yeah, but what's he look like again?
Just straight looking, I
boy.
suppose. Like just
Is he skinny?
Yeah,
Fat?
no, just
Medium.
average
Oh,
sort of
it's a
size
medium
bloke,
then.
I guess.
Are you ready to go, mate?
Well,
I'm holding this here
I'm a
while you're
little bit
talking.
confused, Cobber.
Again.
Oh, just, just a weird looking bloke you are. You good?
I can't believe I put this fucking up there.
You good?
Yep.
Do it up?
Yeah.
Can't even get this in there now. You got an extension bit?
I'm holding this. No, I can't do fucking everything, mate.
That's too big. You ready or what?
Yeah, push it in, mate.
What do you mean push it in?
Is that it? Is that it?
Hold on, I can't go any further. Is that right? Is that going in?
Yeah, go in.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yep. That's it.
Alright.
Go on. Just tighten it up a bit. Good. Yep.
Yeah.
Kind of know what you're doing now.
Oh, I've got a
There's a
rough,
space that's got. You got the space ring behind there.
got a rough idea, Cobber.
Alright.
Pretty fucking good job. I don't understand what's going on here though. I'm being completely honest with you, mate.
What are you doing with beer?
This is a really long.
Is that it there?
You've stressed on Mongo out. He's got to go out for smoke.
Can't stress yourself out, I do.
It's a wonder I don't stress you out.
Not yet. You haven't known her long enough.
Chat around the car, you know.
Yeah, I fucking would.
Don't line up, brother.
What's that line up?
The engine with the bracket. I need to pick the engine up. The engine needs to go up a bit with a driver. You pick your side up and probably do it perfectly.
Yeah. I'm trying to find a nut, mate. I've put this nut down.
There's one sitting
Oh, there's two there
There's one there.
in your pants.
Oh.
No.
Alright.
You save. Yep.
Good?
Yep. Is that the nut you're talking about? No, it's my nut. It's your nut.
What's happened to that? Why didn't you've picked it up?
Fuck off.
I bet you had. Couldn't have went that far.
Oh, bezel brush. No fun with that.
There's got to be a nut here somewhere.
I'm looking at one.
There's the water.
What's wrong with you? Is it in your pocket?
Huh?
Is it in your pocket?
Oh, fuck, I've just realised something.
What?
I'm not looking for a nut.
What are you looking for?
That's got the thread in it.
Oh, you fuckwit.
This is what happens when I'm working with all you fucking kids. I can't concentrate. Hey, Mongo, I was looking for a nut, but it was the peg.
Wonder what you doing.
Fuck's sake.
You're fucking something special, don't you?
Josh, let me fucking run this.
Oh, where's my nut gone? I can't find the nut, Nick.
Can you?
Nah, oh, there it is.
I'm not cut all that out.
I'm not looking for a nut.
for 2 hours.
I'm not looking for a nut.
I'll make it shorter than what it was.
You gonna reach then?
I don't even know if that's the way it goes. I'm just tightening it up at this stage. But
Oh my god.
it's only just because we've got to pull
So
it all
dodgy.
out. But that looks about right, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Put your foot like that,
Yeah.
and that folds down so you don't have to.
I thought you
It's like
was a
another
big man,
kickstand.
that was all.
Yeah.
You should have took a photo or something or labelled these things,
fucking
you
think
know,
so, wouldn't
before
you?
you pull it
Put them all in a
apart.
plastic bag when you
Put them in
This
some sort of
Is
order.
legitimately the hardest part to the whole thing.
fucking...
You know, I got to that stage
What a
where
lot
I had
of
it
food
before
is
you. I pretty much had it stripped down in a few hours, and then.
Oh yeah, it didn't take you long at all.
No, and then the next night. But this, even when I was pulling it apart, was a prick.
Doesn't go in right. See what I mean? It's like it's sitting out. It's not lining up properly for me. You won't like it.
If you were to ride a motorbike, would you have it like that?
I don't know how it goes, mate.
That goes up there, right?
Has he got it upside down?
Ah, you fucking know you can't.
Why does that go up there? That's your gear shifter.
Yeah, so you want your foot peg under it. You look, how are you going to change gear with it like that?
Isn't that right? You flick it up and then down.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's
but it's
Manika.
got to be up here.
Why?
Not down here, Josh. It's got to be up here. See? Click, 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 click. So that one, that's that.
So you have this up here, like this.
Yeah, kinda.
There.
Something like that. Yeah, doesn't matter. We're not
What's the
setting it
difference
up.
between it there and there?
What do you mean?
Probably with
No,
how many gears you go through.
if your foot's sitting down here, you're not going to be able to reach it, are you, Dick?
Why not?
Look at the gap. You know, you're talking about the gap which you're not going to have your toe right up here.
Depends. You put that there.
Then again, with your toes, Nick, you'd be able to.
Oh, carries on, doesn't it? Can't do anything right. doesn't show you how to do it to start with. Doesn't label
Well,
anything.
mate, this is
Just
your own
says,
fault.
That goes in there.
It's your own fault for
Right.
not fucking being around
Oh,
when I
yeah.
pulled it apart.
Yeah,
where was you cunts then? Eh?
I'm ready.
I asked you and asked just to come down. No one had come to help old Nick.
Didn't ask me.
No, didn't want to.
You locked me out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no chestnut. Yeah, cross thread.
You fucking filthy.
Dirty bitch. I'll brush. Yeah, sweet, sweet. You doing anything or are you just gonna sit there?
Alright.
It's doing nothing like you, mate.
I would be in there doing it, you say, but I've got the hero in you now, the king.
You had fucking, I don't know, you had a menagerie.
Right?
You had a fucking menagerie, mate.
What the fuck's a
What's
menagerie?
that?
Menagerie.
You gonna plug that? Or is that for your secret little...
Fuck me. Eh?
That's where his penis goes.
I need to grow up a fair bit.
So you have your seat. What about
You have your seat here. Every time he hits the brakes, you'll fucking... See how pisser.
You'd be on the brake all the time. I did that.
Just be shitting on brake. Oh, maybe I had it right, mate.
No,
Hey?
definitely not. Because you fucking wouldn't have.
Oh, did you fix your hair?
Nah, not really.
Hey, longer. Yep. Can you rock that towards you?
The bike or the motor?
The motor.
How's that now?
Nah.
Towards me?
Yeah.
At the bottom or top?
The top. Nah.
What if I go on rear?
Oh, why can't we? Yeah. There you go. Now try it for me. Lift her up, you dog.
It's fucking heavy. I'm picking the whole fucking bike up. Strong as fuck.
That hole's just not long enough.
Yeah, give me this one. I'll put it back in while I move this. But it'll go.
That one's fine.
Yeah, go that one.
That one's. What a fucked up fucking. Where's the rattle gun?
Right there. That one. There it is. Undo that a bit. Undo that a little bit. It's probably tight. There you go.
Probably tight.
You told me to give it some.
Yeah, I did tell you that. That's my fault.
I said how much, and you said just fucking do it.
Yeah, nah. It is. It's on me.
Yeah, you probably cracked it after that one. Yeah, the oil pistol there.
It's on me, that one.
I don't know why you're even fucking bothering. Such a piece of shit. Oh yeah, no worries. You shove that in there, bro. Going the wrong way.
Doesn't matter. That's the way we're going.
Probably actually looks better going that way.
Oh, no, that is the way. That's the wrong way. You were going the wrong way.
You were going the wrong way too.
I was going that way because that's the way you started going. I didn't want to embarrass you. We're going the opposite. Where's your nut for that one?
Right here, brother.
Oh, that's right. That's the
I bet
peg.
you're regretting coming up now, these pair.
May you?
Yeah, you.
Hold on. Hold on. You have to put this up here, brother, like that. 'Cause that's your
I
foot peg.
don't have to do really anything.
Yeah, like that.
We've just got to tighten this
that's your foot
up
peg.
so we can pull it all apart again.
There's your foot peg there.
You want to get powder coated, Mungo?
Yeah, the young bloke at work, his old man works at Powder Coat and
Which one?
Are you going to screw that on there, or...?
I think it might be. Is it a Gnorky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a bloke powder coating at Dodgers. Dodgers? Or is it Carl? Up the top there on the hill. He works for himself. He does sandblasting and everything.
Yeah.
You're fucking strong. Trying to get that camera over here. Look at this crank.
Is this the right fucking
Look at this. Look at this. Come on.
Look at how fucking off centre it is. If I put it like that, look at what it does.
What the fuck?
Yeah, what was you saying, Josh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He does his own thing. He did Blakey's tray for him.
Yeah. Blakey.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Oh, you. What? What else? Will the?
Well, was it going to flip if I stand on it?
No. No, it wouldn't flip, mate.
Or can I stand on it with your permission?
Yeah, I reckon you should stand on it. Or you should go for it, Josh.
Can't get it.
Why can't you line that up properly, Josh?
Oh, it's not heavy enough.
Is it? What's it doing?
It's hitting it. See?
I reckon if we put them in, that will.
It'll pull it forward.
If we hit that back, hit the bottom out.
But it's still got to go down.
Hit the arse end out.
Top it, yeah, pull it out a bit.
And then we'll push the top in.
Right there. Don't go all the way out there. Yeah, now push down it, Josh.
A bit more.
Use your penis.
Bit more. Bit more.
If it comes out any further, it's going to pop right out, isn't it?
No, how much is on these? Well,
That's
it.
it.
More than that.
Stand on, Josh. This is went from fucking champagne to shit, isn't it? Hey, buddy, push that, man. Push it! Push it! Push it!
There you go. I'm not hitting it. That's enough hitting it. Hit the bottom. It's not going in, brother. Keep going, keep going. Need more. Keep it that. 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 It's not enough here. Keep hitting it. Nah, it's just like it springs back out.
When we tighten it up now, it'll go in. That's it, we'll tighten it up.
The dowels don't line up, brother.
Yeah, when we fucking crowbar it, come over, it will.
This side's already in, I think.
Eh?
I don't know. Nothing at the time, eh?
It's got to come over. Where are them screws? What?
What do they look like? Take your pick, man.
Right there.
Them ones?
Now I've got a feeling they might supply you.
That tonight's gonna
They give you
be
some different
a
screws.
good night.
Fuck, what are they
Tonight's
for?
gonna be
Oh, wheel spaces.
good night. What are wheel spaces?
Not wheel spaces.
Yeah, they are definitely like spaces to go in the wheels, so you reckon it's good wheel
No,
spaces?
because these have got to go up through here. Oh, that's in there. No.
No, they don't fit, man.
Okay, where's the original?
The original.
There. You got. There's two up there.
These two.
Yeah.
They're way too long, man.
Is that there?
Fucking long.
Yeah, because the frame was different, wasn't it?
I don't know. Interesting.
What are you fucking on about?
There's two with nuts. How do we keep losing these fucking
I don't know.
They were all sitting there.
I don't know.
Yeah, they
You've
were
had
just
them
sitting there.
all. What, these ones?
I sat them just at the fucking back.
Nah.
No, not them.
There's two with nuts, two without.
Okay, what are they? Well, give me a size. So
Like this. They're like that long.
Yeah,
But they're dirty.
Them ones?
Yeah, they're the fucking ones I told you.
I just grabbed them, but where do they go?
No, that's not.
You're
No, is it
man. I don't know. Is that
Nah, I can't get it. So the top ones have nuts. The top ones have got nuts that go on them.
wanker undoes this and doesn't leave
And then
shit in
the
a box?
bottom one, honestly, it's the most weirdest shit ever.
What,
But
they
can't-
just disappear?
It cannot fucking go anywhere. I don't move it. It only went on here or back in where I got it.
No, I think but what I was saying, this is a bit thicker.
Ah, see?
I've got you now.
I understand what he's. I understand the lingo. Yeah. So I was right.
You was right, Roger.
Yeah. So that's a fine thread.
Right, so where do they
them
go?
fine threads there for the bottom dowels because there's nuts already in there, and the top. See?
Yeah.
Coarse thread.
Okay, so where's the other one of those?
There's two nuts
And there's one bolt.
missing.
Cool.
Isn't that
What you're
strange?
telling me is
Isn't that weird? That
we
there's a
haven't got
bolt
all this
missing?
shit.
who'd have thought that there'd be a bolt missing?
Wait, it's me beer. There it is.
Okay, I confirm I've got enough bolts here.
Is that mine? Is that mine?
Yeah, the tab's up on it.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't do that.
Alright. I'm gonna flick it.
Did you?
Do what? You know, I come from where I go cotton with Joe. Is that what you
That's what I'm saying.
Come on, get your fucking jackknife in there. That
Okay.
thing, crowbar. Yeah, right, boy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. It moves.
Keep going. Where's my hammer?
Oh no, go to you, go to Josh Mogger. Yeah. Now it's got to go in. Which I reckon
We'll do it with a hammer.
go to me a bit. To me.
Oh, sorry.
Not
Is there another bag? Coffee?
Yep, there.
Coffee bag? Do we not wash it, or we're just gonna
No,
lock her in there?
just go straight up. Look straight up.
Yeah, we need to go my way. Smidgen?
I've got to go down.
Yeah, down to go. My way and down.
Oh, there we go. Let's.
I'm on the kid. Let's go that way.
We're all drinking, Josh. We're all drinking, mate.
Where's your fucking dog food? No one tells you.
What's he do?
I don't want to do that up. I thought I'm going to cross-thread it. Nah, do this with your hand first, mate. Look at you.
Yeah, well, we.
Yeah, that one's good. Mine's fucking cross-threaded.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Mine's
Give me that. Let me
Mine's
do mine.
cross-threaded.
Yeah, I've heard just 20 times. Say the same.
Mine's cross-threaded, mate.
No, mine's not even in. Mine's not even close to going
Oh,
into
mine
the...
is. So I need to go this way.
You're not. Yeah,
Nah.
you're not even close to it.
Man, I'm in.
Eh?
Isn't that not in? Going up tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking bang on it, mate. What are you on about? Where's your hammer? Where's your hammer? There it is. Yours in? Cross-thread.
It's cross-threading.
Is yours in? Yeah. Right.
Where's the,
I wonder if we go back a bit, maybe.
where's the ratchet span? Where's the ratchet span?
What size?
No, I just need a fucking ratchet.
It's not a fucking ratchet spanner.
Yeah, where's the ratchet? The socket.
This one?
No, not a ratchet spanner. Where's the fucking...